We are pleased to show you the 2018 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.